Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Dover, Channel Marketing Manager here at Keystone RV. I'm standing in front of the brand new Laredo 331BH. This is a bunkhouse that has a bath and a half with a beautiful outdoor kitchen. I want to take you through some of the things that I love about this brand. First off, Laredo is definitely a brand that families and campers can evolve with. They can start out with a travel trailer, get some beautiful amenities, and as their needs and their family grows, they can grow into the super light fifth wheel or a mid-pro fifth wheel. Today we're in front of the new travel trailer. This is a 331 bunkhouse that I mentioned. And while I'm outside, I just want to show you some of the things that I love about the brand. First of all, we have the Lippert LCI solid step, which is super safe and secure and really easy to work. You just lift it up, push it back in, you're good to go. It's that simple. And then when putting it down, you just move this little lever, pull again, and down. And the best thing about it is this top step is very deep. Next, I'm gonna show you the grill and chill kitchen. This is a beautiful outdoor kitchen. It has obviously the 2-burner stove, gorgeous microwave, plenty of storage for, paper plates, that kind of thing. Pretty nice size refrigerator. And I think the thing that probably everyone will love is a 32-inch television. Now, grill and chill kitchens are not on every model of Laredo, but specifically for this 331BH, it is here. So this creates a really nice outdoor campsite cooking and entertainment area. Let's go on inside. Okay, I'm standing inside the Laredo 331BH and I'm in the bunkhouse. One thing that is important to tell campers is that this unit was created for people who have kids or people who have guests because there's a private bunkhouse that's perfect for kids. I know I have a family of 4. It would be great to just give my girls this space. I can do whatever I need to do out there and everybody kind of has their private space. So right now, this is the one bunk and you can see there's space for a TV, for gaming or movies or Netflixing. Tons of storage. This has 3 drawers and some cabinets down here. Good size space for game units or books, magazines. And then over on this side, right now, it's set up for watching TV or gaming or just relaxing. But when you pull this guy out, you have another bunk. So in this bunkhouse, you can sleep 3 good-sized kids. The other great part about it is it has a half bath, which I would love for my family because then we can have the adult bathroom in the main bedroom and the kid bathroom back here. One other thing that's great about Laredo is they are very detail-oriented. They think of things and ways to make life a little bit easier while camping. One of the things is this really cool convenience center. You can hang coats. You can put messages for family members or whatnot. A little key ring, which is always good. I think we're always losing keys when we're camping. This could be wasted space, but they really did something different with it so you can use it. Let's talk about the entertainment center. One great thing about this TV is it pulls out and turns. So no matter where you sit, you've got a perfect TV viewing angle, which is great. Also, the entertainment center comes with some really good storage and a fireplace for those extra little chilly nights or on a rainy day, you'll stay cozy. Now, if the bunkhouse wasn't enough and you need a little bit more sleeping space, this here is our standard booth dinette, which can turn into extra sleeping space. And you do have the option to get the freestanding dinette table and chairs if you prefer to not have a booth. So all you would do is put this table down, pull the cushions out, and you've got some extra sleeping room. One thing I do want to mention, this little storage compartment is the greatest. You can put pans, pots, whatever you desire in these, and this booth comes with 2 of those storage units, so it's great. All right, moving into the kitchen, there's some great pantry space here for cooking supplies. You could do your baking sheets up on top. It's got 3 drawers, which are great for all of your cooking utensils. Some spices could go in there. And then for our appliances, these are the Furrion appliances. They have a really great modern look. But the other thing I love about it is the drawer that's underneath the stove. It is very wide and deep. So this is also a great spot for pots and pans and other small kitchen items and appliances. The other thing too that this little gem has is a very deep under the sink storage, and this goes all the way back to the corner, so you're really not having to sacrifice anything on that. And the over the head cabinets as well. And one thing we've done to really kind of lighten it up here in the inside Laredo is there's a beautiful slate mimicking backsplash that's light in color and has some light countertops that have a little movement in them, so it's very modern and aesthetically pleasing. And this extended countertop provides extra space for cooking. Super convenient. All right, we're here inside the bathroom, and I gotta say, this is a pretty good sized shower. It's got little shelves, I just noticed, for shampoo and conditioner and soap, whatever. It's nice and deep. I've got a good amount of headroom, and it's cute. I like it. Nice handles on the shower. I really like the extra shelves for the shampoo and conditioner, so that's a nice amenity that ladies will like. And again, speaking to the point where Laredo thinks about every detail, we've got some open wall space here that could normally just have nothing but wall space, but they've put in some nice little towel racks or shower robe racks, that kind of thing, so that's great and convenient. Also, can't forget that the toilet is porcelain toilet, so it's extra durable and sturdy, which campers will really love. Here's inside your medicine cabinet. Nice tall space so you can put all your essentials in there. All right, we're in the bedroom of the Laredo 331BH, and there's some great amenities in here that I want to make sure we point out. First are the dual wardrobes that are on both sides of the bed. They're nice and deep and really can fit a lot of clothes and blankets and all kinds of stuff in there. And then also too, the space up above is very deep. I'll open one of these up for you. So that's perfect for shoes and odds and ends. The bed also has storage underneath, which is great for extra blankets and camping gear. And let's not forget too, there are two 110 outlets up in the headspace of the bed. Also, there are USB ports. This is perfect for campers who need a charging space, who need to plug in for their CPAP machines, or just want to have, you know, extra outlets and extra cubbies. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the Laredo 331BH. For more information about this floor plan and others, visit us at keystonerv.com/Laredo, and we'll see you next time.